Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. Hope it is a nice day for you. Today I'm going to deliver a lecture for class 2 and it is unit number 7. The name of the chapter is Rumpelstiltskin. First of all, we'll be doing the word meaning session. You have some words written before you and the meanings as well. First word is be in trouble. Trouble means pareshani. Pareshani mein hona. Greed, lalach. Miller, मिल में काम करने वाला. Shame, शर्मिंदगी. Spin, घुमाना. Palace, महल. Disappear, गायब हो जाना. Then there are words and sentences written before you. First word is shame. You can make any sentence out of it. Like I have made, what a shame, you failed in exams. Greed, greedy, he is greedy. Disappeared, she certainly disappeared. Spin, she can spin straws into gourd. And then reel, she uses reel to spin straws. Now I am going to narrate the story of Rumpelstiltskin. Actually, there is a miller in a village. Once what it happens that a king was passing by that village and what he sees that there is a girl, she's working in a mill and he finds out that she is the daughter of that miller. She is very beautiful. The king gets impressed by her beauty and he finally meets her father. Her father, who is a miller, he tells her that my daughter, she can spin straws into gourd. And this was the biggest lie or biggest blunder what he committed. Now what happens, the king carries the girl to his palace and he says that, okay, there's a room, there are many wheels inside, many straws. What you have to do is you have to convert all these straws into gourd. Now the girl started crying. Why? Because she cannot do this. Her father had lied to him. She was crying and suddenly a mysterious creature appears before her and what he says to her that, okay, I can convert these straws into gold if you give me some of your jewelry you are wearing. She has some necklace, some earrings, some bangles of gold with her. She gives those necklace and earrings to that creature and he finally converts all the straws into gold. Now the king comes, he becomes very happy, but as he's greedy, he finally shifts her to a bigger room and says there are more straws and you have to convert those to gold. Now what happens again? She started crying because she cannot do it herself. Again, that mysterious creature comes here and says, okay, give more jewelry and I'll be doing that for you. And same happens again. Then the third time, there is the biggest hall of many straws and king asks the girl that you have to convert all of these straws into gold again. This is the third time and now the girl is left with no jewelry. She is now crying. Finally, she's very depressed and that mysterious creature comes again and he says, okay, let's do a deal with each other. If you are soon going to marry this king and you have your first baby, you have to give me that baby and then I'll be converting all these straws into gold. She says, okay. Now he finally converts all the straws into gold and king marries that girl. She becomes a queen and after their marriage, they are blessed with a baby boy and that creature comes out of nowhere and says, you had promised me that you will be giving me your baby son. Now give me. Now girl starts crying, no, I cannot give it to you. You can take anything else. I have many treasures, many exchequers with me. He says, okay, you have a riddle for you. You have to tell my name. I'll be coming again and I'll be taking nothing from you. She's now depressed that where to find his name. Suddenly, some people come to her palace and they say that there was a creature and she was singing something. In that song, there was his name and it was very different name. She says, what was the name? They tell her that this was Rumpelstiltskin. The creature appears again and she's very happy and tells him, okay, your name is Rumpelstiltskin. The creature becomes depressed and disappears. This was the story of this mysterious creature whose name was Rumpelstiltskin. You have to memorize the question answers, word meanings and word sentences by heart. Thank you so much, guys.